Hello kids. Previously we had gone through the lesson The Chakravarti Investigates. So in that story we observed that Chakravarti is using the magnifying glasses to observe the things and to do everything. Yes? Children, you are going to movies. Yes? Normally we see the movies, we listen to many stories. How do you think these stories are? How are they? How did they form? They all are the creativeness, that those are created by some story writers. They created and they magnified them and they presented them. Taking a small situation, they presented it and they are giving the titles. Yes? How are these being able? Did you ever think about that stories? So this all are nothing but the creativity, creation by the story writers. So we must get that ability to create the things and to magnify the things. So here today we are going to magnify a moment. Take a small moment and we are going to magnify it. Okay. So look here. Our aim is to use the details from the senses. What are the senses? We see, we hear, we smell, we taste and we feel. These are the 5 senses normally we have. Yes. So by these senses to visualize and write about the setting and the event. We are going to see a setting. What is happening in that setting. And seeing that setting we are going to explain it. Okay. So basing on that setting today we are going to observe that and find it out and we are going to write the clues. So even the title what we are going to give for that basing upon the situation. So normally wherever we go, whatever we find around our surroundings, we must get an ability to visualize them by using our senses. So something whatever we see on the road, near our area, everything we must be able to visualize them. Okay, so such visualization can make us to become creative. So basing on this we can read 2 paragraphs and also some pictures and we can visualize and we can write a story basing on that. Okay, so even in your volume you want to visualize a story. So in that you want to take 3 events. Any story, take a story, give the heading for your story, give a title of your story. Basing on that, take 3 events which are related to the same story. Okay. So in previous story we have many events. Okay. Even in the Golden Goose we have different events, the beginning, middle and ending. In the same way, for everything we have some events. Okay. So whatever is going to happen, take 3 events and try to visualize them, magnify each and every sentence by using your senses. Okay. So let us take something. Okay, 2 paragraphs let us read and explain and also some pictures. So basing on this you are going to complete your volume. Kids, let us read the paragraphs. Okay, are you ready now? Children, now close your eyes and listen to the paragraph which I am reading. Okay, I was looking at the park through my binoculars. Many children were playing in the park. Their parents were talking to each other. The old men and women were sitting on the benches. A group of children were playing hide and seek. There was a commotion. One of the children could not be found. Everyone began to look for him. Now children, while I am reading this paragraph, can you imagine the things which are going on? Can you see them? Okay, now let me read one more paragraph and you compare in which paragraph you can observe the things or you can guess them by closing your eyes. Okay, now see this another paragraph. Now children, listen it carefully by closing your eyes. It was a warm and pleasant evening in the month of November. I was standing at the window of my house on the 8th floor of my building. I was looking out at the park through my powerful binoculars. I could see trees with dry yellow leaves moving in the light wind. The scent of the colorful flowers reached me and I took a deep breath. Now, so in previous one, you observed that the boy was telling normally what he was seeing and everything. But here, he just explained everything, whatever is there, where he is standing, which month it is, where he is looking, what can he feel, what can he see, what smell is he getting. So everything he had explained here. So when we are closing our eyes, when we are reading these paragraphs, we can imagine what is going on in the things. So how are you going to identify these? Yes, by using our senses. But when we closed our eyes, we can imagine the things which we are telling there. Means I can imagine the pleasant evening of the November, and I can feel that I am on the 8th floor of the building and I am looking into the park and I can see the dry yellow leaves. Even I can smell the flowers. So these all, when I imagine, it looks very beautiful to explain that. So in the same way, children, if you are able to see something, you must feel it by your senses. Means whatever we are observing, whatever we are seeing with our eyes and we are feeling in a place, we want to observe it by our eyes and we want to feel it. Okay? So then we can remember it and we can write about it carefully. Now observe this picture, children. Now here in this picture, you can see there are many things here. I can see it is a hotel. So in front of the hotel, I can see many people sitting and eating. And can you find the cars, the bikes going on? So from them, I can listen. Can you feel that? I can listen. We can listen the sound of the vehicles going, the horn or some music from that. So everything we can find it by our senses. We can say that one. Where if we are there, think that you are among them. Now you can feel that all. Can you? Yes, you can smell the tasty foods. You can smell. Can you smell? In front of a hotel, if we stand normally, we can smell. So we can see, we can smell, we can listen, we can hear. And also, if you are there among them, you can order any one of the thing and you can eat it and you can taste it also. Even if you order a dish which you like it very much, then you can feel very, very happy. Yes, children? So this all the things, when you are there near a hotel, you can feel all this by your senses. That means when we are able to explain something by using our senses, it will be very easy for us to explain the things carefully, what happened there, which help us to guess what is going on, to find the clues, and also to explain an incident to some other person if we are there. Okay, kids? So basing on this, let us see one more picture and let us explain on that picture. Okay? Now see this picture. Can you see something by seeing the picture? What can you say it is? Yes, it is a place where the marriage is going on. Can you see? Yeah, the decoration. Even the hands, they can show us that a marriage is going on there. So in that, what can we see? We can see that, yes, the marriage, it is decorated very well. So there we can hear the music, DJ. Can you enjoy the DJ? Can you feel that? Now when I am saying marriage, you can hear the DJ. Means you can feel how a DJ and everything will be going on. How the mantras will be told by the people there, the pujari and whoever are there, they are going to tell the mantras and everything. And also we can smell the dishes in the marriage. And in the lunchtime or dinner time, if you are there in the marriage, we can eat it. Yes? Yeah, we can eat it and we can feel very happy. Yes? So children, when we feel everything with our senses, we can write really very good basing on that. Now, so basing on this, today let us write our volume. Okay, kids? Now the C page number 18. Can you find 4 questions there? Yeah, first 3 questions are on same. That means you want to write an event and you want to magnify the moments. Now see the first one. Write the first event of the interesting incident that took place in your neighborhood. Use details from the 5 senses to magnify the moment. Means any event, it can be any event near your neighborhood. So you are going to take 3 events and you are going to magnify that moments. So basing on this, you are going to write your first 3 questions. Means try to magnify each and every event. From that you are going to write this. Okay, now if after completing the 3 events, you can see the 4th question. Write a title that best describes the main incident of your story. That means the 3 instances which you are writing can be of a same event. It means in a event, where whatever it might be, basing on that you want to complete it. So you can write a title that best describes the main instance. Basing on these instances which you have taken, what title can you give? So just try to give a title for your story. What you are writing here, you are magnifying the moment. So try to write write the heading, means the title of the story which suits for this 3 questions, and complete your volume. Okay kids, thank you.